There's a few football degrees around the country. I think what's different about ours is the coach education is embedded within the course. They get the industry recognised qualifications alongside the academic degree. But primarily it's the formalised link with the football club. So it's a formal partnership where staff come in and deliver sessions here alongside academic staff. So there's a really good balance between the theory and the industry practice. Working with Argyle Community Trust is fantastic for us on the football degree because it means our students are exposed to lots of coaching environments and football development opportunities out there in the real world whilst they study. So instead of doing a degree and then waiting to build networks with vital contacts in the industry, they're able to do it whilst they study, which means that upon graduation they're ready just to go into the working world straight away.
I actually done some work experience at Plymouth Argyle Community Trust, and that then enabled me to get a job with them. So at the moment I work for an assistant under 16 girls team, where I'm assisting them, and I love it. Like, I got that through coming to university, getting the connections with the people at Argyle Community Trust, because they're actually in a partnership with us here. So it's a great opportunity wise to like get experience, foot in the door sort of thing. Through here I've then gone on to do my futsal level 1, and then I got my disability badge coming up, so I'll be doing that as well through Marjon University.
I do like, we have a couple of practical courses which are really good. So we do a biomechanics course, and I was never one to really like physics, but I enjoy watching working out how the body moves and how we can better ourselves, dependent on form or whatever we do.
Best 3 years that I did, I started late, so I didn't go straight into university from college, but then decided after doing various jobs that I wanted to go to university, and the football coaching and development one was the one that hit me, that I wanted to do the most. It's not very often that you can get a professional football club like Argyle work alongside a university, so you get the hands-on experience of the theory side with the theory side with the football coaching development, as well as the practical within the Argyle Community Trust. So you can take what you learn in the theory and then you recognise it when you go and work for the trust, that it is actually quite helpful.